Fremanosa, Naya Richoko, and I don't pay you on the Sia Conquire, I can see, bro, or Bidram so. Richoko said, Day no Beshassi, Day no Beshase, when you have Bria Juma, who Akakashia. Richoko, yes, of course. Since an opponent American for the amount of Pabiano Bobby Nebi beer to me, Ako ye Richoko, Edan Game Park, yes, Game Park of Force Canhona. A day I can see bro and pay Game Park there, Sessiano Pabia Banama Mouse, Keda Gubotum, Canopan 9, 12, and you 6. He says, Sikana who did the whole days, Ania Dia, Janya some Ketwa, Dal star 946 hash, star 946 hash. Now them now just say oh any money and from 0 to 9 selected 4 numbers. Lady Sika a good button here pick 4 no Tiquambia so no sending go for 8 Disika go for near brave Filiano. Fili be trending. Scan a busana and go for a dear no take a channel and so from Adom TV 9-12 on a face 6 p.m. Naquambia air drawn one who send it. I want some see a draw that could see. Kwasieda for crab tomu a ani anu den grofo diska se na beya obenye se grofo sunti na Game Park aba grofo isunodo se kroma e hot ti kroma e hot afa hoje Game Park ni mu na bibia ntimi nko ye star 946 hash na bibia enko so wo botomu ye ni ade ya keji wana nkase ni Erica Siri Bwedi Sergio Manocho Bernard Padibotwe me producers now you be share the fee transfer news kakran sana makomanu akohe de ekoso na Bernardo Silva osina kind of Manchester City City team no Udin Nkwi Badwam party more no now Yemfiona Enkopi on the World Athletics Championship ekoso a man for medals but Ghana about 200 meters ye nipa mienu ade mo kogina mu na amfa enti kwambia so no ajegon but nanka 4x100 omo mienu ya abesen to 4x100 nibi is omo mienu akopra na kese 4x100 and they abetodwa from the Ghana Athletics Association they say Ghana twe ho e dey fi 4x100 really anymore. Yet been Kobini at the idea. But Fuseni, president of the Ghana Athletics Association.
Very tough to take, but it was very tough and very necessary for the sake of the athletes' health. Now, the World Athletics is safeguarding the interests and welfare of athletes. So we didn't want to aggravate the situation. We all saw what happened. Joe Paul even came out from the curve, leading no less an athlete like Degrad from Canada until the injuries set in, and we're devastated. But we're also hoping that we could do something before the Friday. So we took the necessary step by taking them to a medical center for real medical test and examination. When the results came out, it was not too good, and we didn't want to risk the career of the athlete. We know we have the competition coming on next year, the African Games and the Olympic Games in Paris, and we need this athlete at that time. So we took that painful decision, but necessary, to withdraw them, to let them start treatment immediately. And let me use this opportunity to thank the Honorable Minister of Youth and Sports, Honorable Yusuf, for prompt action, taking immediate action and seeing to it that these athletes get the needed financial support to commence treatment immediately. I am an athlete. I've been in athletics for the past 30 years. This is my first time of seeing a minister coming out so boldly and so quickly to address such situation. We can.
All right, Bob Fuseni, President Ghana Athletics Association. Now, Sikasama no can say the Ministry of Youth and Sports to me abo mo den di sika ma athletes a prepare no say omo kono mo fan ko helm ho no. Ye bo remu yi ni are say na honsam esi tie Deputy Sports Minister Honorable Opoku Bobie wa kire mu say na $8,000 na won share it there.
On behalf of the government has supported them with $8,000 to both of them to go back to go through treatment quickly in the state so that come March next year they will be fit to participate in the Accra Games, African Games in Accra to represent Ghana because they are our best for Accra Games. So this is what on behalf of my minister, I have done the support that we have given to them, and we have done that on behalf of the government. I have been told that this is the first time this is happening, that during competition an athlete has got injured and the competition venue support has been extended. It's very sad. We could have come back home to decide what we can do for them, but I had to speak to my minister, who's a very generous man, nice man. He too sympathized with them, and then he has directed me to advance an amount of $8,000 USD on behalf of government to them.
Wow. And of course, the Deputy Sports Minister, Rob will be in our audience to address our say the Ama athletes don't find now. You go so I can't athletes on some of Budapest, Hungary. Yenshre send 200 meters boys not to be unqualified come anymore. That's the enemy on Shasia and saw the name was Wepra. And of course, so Joseph Paul Amwadi with me and so was sending Kukumuti and a cock of a tree or a once. Yenshre a competition and Casan plan a but now feeling good. That's so there non then we pra cry west we pra long jump antiaqua so say or so no pra just we pra company for mu one but no so the be tuni sa na go to long jump amfati e say the we ne Budapest for Hungary for we go 400 years into nti rosa me koso e wa let Simon African Games say ban of course Commonwealth Games and so banti e be say Ghana e betimi Badwam hono Richoko kan una na no pay yete ayan samuna de bro and of course anopa bia be hyase ya na Richoko yes ya konkongo so den samuna bro na yenkopie mu was the Ghana Football Association on the 27th of September elections are so why na to abama na betena so as the president of the Ghana Football Association now ora Makado your vice president on the samu tugra say one more tisu eketo kreku na administration omo bodwuma po GDS e be san to abama o matena so.
What's we run football kuma Miriam me say sometimes if you call us akwawe pa be have an opportunity. So that they don't win. They know oh granda o dem so dey buza o granda o hu nyo me koso easy woni patete o bugu dem who prepare biana mo every day o match dey create different e be almost spend e be 30 to 80,000 to Premier League a day every week. So match dey cry kan so and omuni me ja e hye wo mu and when him so ni man so ye dey do say ja no and that's all I can say. Delegation there we no be ankasa o pass menum na me to bonum to we wa akona ni bi nkasa na bu so mo say enkofo buy no and trouble no mu twa na say omo to anum keke and you hear what they will tell you.
So in a nutshell what you are saying is so will be a delegate no tie mujuma pa di in the last 4 years no and omunjina so on to abama.
Absolutely. And then on the back of it no the akase be san ya ka ho no knowing say 4 years aka no we even work harder so they beat me amana kosro kwa mo na mo alleviate omu you know struggle no in resources no you be provide you be try very hard.
Right, Makado, senior we be hu chale 27 September when they win Georgia free and I say pokra cat yes or crack now yenko pi mo senfo from a game park can one head some idea bro he say the baby this can a game park he say ina de hu jim a game park papa now ha ko pi metema kumasa sande koroko prosper nete ogum a coach we the second coming yeah the second coming kuyi but coach prosper nete ogum aba be rest na be siako mo go so ye homboaboa anasa hu sisi ahead of the new season e wo be poso prosper the achọ passionko na wori atumo ama koroko fans sa monfa ne ho ana na bone bia oyeye mu bia nche first time obaya okọ na kwere nsem bebre ntokwa ne ade se wabai no omugina fa ka bom sonko na china omutumi anyege trophies
na me san so koye me gidi se me nkoye no bebre na anya omode na am say abisi sabri men kan wa asem ya na menya ma adwen say me kan ho bibia e bi se kotoko na eson bo mame ene ma busua me pese me gina sa kwanya we so na me de tumo anim say bra me ba kan no ne fan kwanya me fa so a me koye sa anya obi de mesra mo say me fa nche me me san so agina sa kwanya so asem say was a kwan no mu amon se mefumo bi a onfa ncheme me nipa e bia na edu ba bi no so na bia me nya abotre ama me ho ntina bibisa e bae na menim se ye nyina ma ya ye nipa na mo ye papa nom ne ye nuanom ne ye wofa nom ne ade bi gidi se obenya akoma baako na mode che e de ache munja malenka na sisi no a new direction na ye ko ni nyina ye nkambom se de be ya botanti a ye team ye wura ye otumfo e de team ya share sama be team ya pagya team akwa bibia ese me bae.
Right, prosperity ogumet coach metema kuma sasa ne koroko ne nsemo no nyako piemu Abdul Hayate wono na local manager demand late Christian Achu no koko piemu wo ne niam a wo ye mu atum sa no den pa ne ade bi se ana footballers are ungrateful footballers be bro manager mo ne o kire mu se 50-50 na ye de Abdul Hayate interview no de abro ne me visa mano na twetwe san komo ne be gina so na no pay den sam na see of course my game park more mula more cash more power e ka mula e cash so bounce me ma power so wo sika nante vema mvogo oni sika na so wan ko hwe obi nso angu amana meka se betuaka and oni sika be na ekotua momula patcho pick 4 from 9 balls now watch numbers ni bi na what this guy go to me very very simple and Lionel Messi what me qualify the team final of Capra amo ball USA moto mo e bia go so mo share 3 no the 3 well then na ko ni mi ada yes no game park o man o mo kan won ya den san bros of course Richoko we be no bibia no pa na amaudi no aye 10 mo timi abodwuma energy ni nutrients ahodo wo mo timi abo for the whole day Richoko ma kwedi esi akonkon na ye dia wo kan si brel e wo bedwam so Sergio Manucho bana pari botwe me producers kai say wo de nankasa beka kejwa na Erica si edubodi eyi na nra ya me ma me nimpon birthday belated happy birthday and come on mama Cecilia Ohenewa wo nkoko atane yata na me sha I love you so much mwah cause wa hebedwam